Kaya hindi lang to basta party.
Sabi nila, breadwinner ako, pero bakit talunan ako ngayon?
What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are going to do a reaction video for MMFF 50 or the 50th year of Metro Manila Film Festival para sa kanilang mga official entry for 2024. At syempre, ito nga ang unang dalawang pelikulang re-reacta natin for their official trailer, which is Uninvited, starring Nadine Lustre, Aga Mulak, and the star for all season, Vilma Santos, and of course, ang ating unkabogable box office superstar, Meme Vice Ganda for And the Breadwinner is. Oh my God, exciting ang mga entries for this year. At syempre, nagbabalik si Meme Vice sa MMFF. At syempre, ito rin star for all season, and Nadine Lustre, the best actress for 2023 MMFF, and of course Aga Mulak. Kaya naman tingnan natin kung anong handog nila for this year's MMFF. At syempre unahin natin ang Uninvited teaser, kung saan ito nga ang producer nito ay same as Malyari, which is Warner Brothers. So grabe, pang Hollywood guys. So tingnan natin anong meron sa Uninvited. Kaya naman, kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Warner Brothers picture. Ay, mukhang suspense thriller.
Turning 55 has been humbling.
Project 8 din pala.
Turning 55 with all of you has been a pleasure. I have lived longer than my father and my grandfather, and not a single trace of their sickness in my body.
Ay, hold on guys. Medyo para siyang thriller movie. Parang Malyari type din. Tapos medyo ano siya, parang investigative ang datingan. Parang mind twisting ito. At tingnan natin, parang may mystery ang storya ng line na ito. And si Aga Mulak ang nagsasalita. So parang merong kinalaman ito kay Vilma Santos at kay Nadine Lustre.
Kaya hindi lang to basta party. Hindi lang to basta celebration.
There's a cruise is
Tonight,
here. Oh, Elijah Canlas.
The day I define my own destiny.
Ay, kabog. In fairness, from the Dan Villegas is the director. Alam mo, ganda nung scene na yun And the cinematography, very Hollywood. Parang The Great Gatsby yung party na dati. Siyempre may mga from Malyari. Mylene Dizon is here. Star-studded. Miss Vilma Santos. Uninvited. Kabog, in fairness. There you have it guys, that is Uninvited official teaser for Metro Manila Film Festival 50th edition. Grabe, medyo mystery, crime, thriller ang datingan. At ang ganda ng cinematography, the visuals, and the background music. Naku, mukhang aabangan to. Isa ito sa inaabangan ko this year. Plus the combination of Aga Mulak, Nadine Lustre, and Vilma Santos. Plus the star-studded cast. For sure, it's going to be another huge hit for MMFF this year. Naku, nakaka-excite. Siyempre, abangan natin yung official trailer para mas mabigyan tayo ng storyline. Pero sa nakikita ko, it's something very like mystery and a thriller that we're going to watch out for MMFF this year. At syempre, isusunod naman natin ang And the Breadwinner is ng Meme Vice Ganda. Grabe, iba daw ang Meme Vice dito. Hindi lang siya nagpapatawa dito, but magpapaiyak. So, tignan natin yan, guys. Kaya naman, natin. Let's go. Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, saya-saya. Wala ba
Andito
exaggerate
na
ang
si
kontrata
MC and
nato?
Lancy.
Sulit naman yun.
Solid naman yun, friend. Andito ata si Jong eh. Siyempre, star
Ganito
cinema
naman talagang
to.
buhay natin dito, diba? Walang guarantee. Pero huwag yung sukuan.
OFW.
Buhay OFW nga naman. Okay naman medical mo, di ba? Hindi ka rin ba na-extend?
Baka sadyang ayaw nila kay Bart Simpson.
Bart Simpson. Hold on, guys. Oh my God, mukhang it's a feel-good movie. And the breadwinner is, syempre, isang OFW ang example. And parang makaka-relate tayo dito kasi isa tayong OFW. And mukhang masaya agad ang vibe. Ano kayang bansa to? Maybe it's still in Asia, no? Kasi parang Asian yung country na pinagtatrabaho nila. Nagtatrabaho sa isang parang bread factory. And of course, mahaba ang buhok ng Meme Vice. Ganda kasama si Lassie. Wala si MC dito this year. Tingnan natin.
Lapit na matapos yung bayan natin. Tingnan mo,
Ay, si
5
John.
hours na.
Gusto ko na talaga mag-birthday sa
Arayat,
Pilipinas kasama yung
Pampanga.
pamilya ko. Matapos naman na yung bahay na pinapagawa ko.
Ayun lang.
Hindi. Hindi ito yung bahay namin.
Iba yung bahay. Oh my gosh.
Alam mo nangyari dun sa bahay na pinapagawa ko?
Oh no, this is the twist of the story. So ayun na nga, nagpapakirap ka sa ibang bansa. Kapatid mo ngayon tumawag, pinapagawa mong bahay, tapos pag uwi mo, hindi pala yun. So ito na nga ang twist ng story na to. Tingnan natin paano tayo paiyakin ni Meme Vice. Parang sabi nila madrama daw tong teaser na to eh. SB19. June Robles Lana. Oh my God. Nakaka-goosebumps.
Sabi nila, breadwinner ako, pero bakit talunan ako ngayon?
Ala. Oh my God, hold on guys. Grabe yung linya na yun ha. And the song, the theme song is Mapa by SB19. Gusto ko yung linya na yun. Sinabi na Meme na akala ko ba breadwinner ako, ba't parang talunan ako?
Sabi nila, breadwinner ako, pero bakit talunan ako ngayon?
Hello? December 25. There you have it guys, that is the official teaser of And the Breadwinner is by Meme Vice. Ganda. Grabe yun. Hindi ko nakala na ganun yung twist ng story. No? Medyo typical na nangyayari, 'di ba? Hindi man sa bahay pero sa ibang bagay. Maraming beses na ang isang OFW ay alam mo yung mismong pamilya nila ang parang nanloloko in terms of monetary. Tapos pag uwi mo, hindi mo makikita kung ano yung pinapadala mo, 'di ba? So, pinaghirapan mo and then sila hindi nila alam yung hirap mo sa ibang bansa and then yun yung dadatnan mo. So, parang ganun yung example ng storyline. And of course, the acting of Meme Vice, ganda. Mukhang paiiyakin at patatawanin niya tayo. At syempre, may hatid na aral sa lahat itong movie na to. Nakaka-excite. I want to see the full trailer para mas maganda yung context ng storyline. So, isa to for sure sa abangan kasi ang pagbabalik ni Meme Vice sa MMFF. Kaya naman, nakaka-excite. At syempre, re-reactan natin lahat ng official teaser or trailer ng MMFF para malaman natin ano ba yung top natin for this year na mga pwede nating abangan at mapanood for MMFF. So para sa akin, itong dalawang una na to talaga ang aking first two choice. Nagpapaka-bias na ako sa artist but still the title and the storyline as well, which is getting our attention. So let's see sa mga susunod na official teaser ng MMFF dito lamang sa True Relation Diaries. So once again, my name is John. This is Relation Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.